Today we are here to discuss a very important topic about the kidney cancer. On a routine basis, if there is a cancer of the kidney, generally the whole kidney along with its connections has to be removed in total. But there are special circumstances where there are small cancers at the different places where we can remove these cancers only without removing the total kidney. Now let us look at what are the disadvantages or advantages of these two procedures. If we remove the total kidney, there is a 20% chance that these elderly people go into kidney failure over a short period of time. Number one. Number two, because of the removal of the total kidney, there is a sudden pressure on the remaining functioning kidney, so that this kidney sometimes cannot take the brunt of the whole body activities. Now, what is the advantage of doing a partial nephrectomy? The major advantage is we are leaving the significant amount of the kidney inside the body, which is a functioning part of it. So, the chances of kidney failure are very less. Now, if you are looking at the cancer, everyone is worried about the recurrence. The recurrence rate of cancers in these cases are the same whether the whole kidney is removed or even a part of the kidney with the tumor is removed, and it is less than 5%. And for these kind of tumors, we look at the significant cure rates in these kind of diseases. Now, all the days these were being done with open surgery. Now we have the expertise and also the instrumentation both to perform this laparoscopically. Now, what that entails is, instead of making a 14 to 15 inches incision with removal of few ribs along with the incision, now we can do it with a few small ports with one 10 mm and 3 5 millimeter ports, where we can control the vessels of the kidney, remove the tumor, and then suture the kidney back or put back the kidney into the cut kidney normally. So this is a great advantage to the patient because they have less pain, the post-operative morbidity is less, they recover faster with these kind of modalities, and they go home faster. Reason for cancer is today really unknown. There are so many theories why we have it, but today our focus is to pick them up early and then treat them early so that we can get rid of the disease. So there is a 5% recurrence for one reason, because this can be multifocal. That means today this is at one place, it can come up at a different place at a later date, but that we cannot find out today because it is so microscopic that only if it becomes bigger then we can identify that particular disease. Now, if the kidney cancers are big and on both sides, then we'll have to remove both the kidneys, and then they have to go for transplant after a period of 1 year, so that we don't have any recurrence. But on general basis, it is seen in one kidney and it can be very well treated without any transplantation.
So do you have any precaution?
The only way is to identify early. We have no way that we can say that you do this, you will have prevention. The only thing which you can think of prevention is not smoking. Smoking is a big risk factor for kidney cancers.